guys, here we are at MSC in the Yacht Club. This is our room. And here is the bed with Haley on it. And then we have a couch over here that pulls out into a bed as well. This is really pretty. And then we have a little desk over here. You want to pull out the little bench to show off the little bench. Is it soft? It looks squishy. It's not soft?
Not really soft. But
not really soft.
No,
We got a TV, some storage. You want to open that down there and see what that is?
See what's in there.
The fridge. Oh my gosh, a fully loaded.
Stocked fridge. On MSC, everything in the fridge is included, so you can drink anything on the fridge. And then you also have San Pellegrino, and I think that is just spring water. Lift that water up, the orange one. The orange one.
Orange one, yeah.
Yes. Yep, just natural spring water, so that's just water for you. That's restocked as well. Then we have the balcony out here. On the balcony, just a normal balcony. It's really nothing special about it. In fact, to me, it looks smaller than Oasis of the Seas, which we were just on. What do you think, Daniel?
Yes, it's definitely smaller than Oasis of the Seas. We've got some more storage.
Storage.
A couple of tiny drawers. They're not very deep.
I found something.
You can fit like a book
Hair
in there.
dryer.
Ooh, there you go.
And laundry service.
A secret storage.
Laundry service.
Laundry service. Go check out the closet. There we go. It's toasty. Alright. There you go.
So the light
there's
turns on when you
plenty
open.
of storage in here. And we got a little footsie.
Yeah,
Look
yeah.
at that. You've got plenty of storage up here.
Perfect.
And then more storage down there. Then you can put your suitcases here.
Oh, there's even suitcase room. That's nice.
Oh, look, I found the
You
bed.
could fit them over the...
A little vanity.
Alright, so we've got a nice sink, decent sized bathroom, a bathtub, which is kind of hard to find
On a cruise.
on many cruise ships. So that's a novelty, especially. I don't know if they have it in every bathroom. It's just the Yacht Club. They have a makeup mirror. We have our lotions and body washes, which is something that is actually really nice. Most cruise ships now, you have them in the shower, and they only have one. So they have one that's a body wash, shampoo, and conditioner combo. So it's nice to have all three.
And that is our room.